बच्चा पढ़ाई कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आई होप सभी अच्छे होंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज से अपना टॉपिक एक्सरसाइज 1.4। बट उससे पहले अपना स्लोगन है, झिझकती है कोशिशें गहराइयों का नाप देखकर, लगा छलांग धारा के विपरीत, कांप उठेंगी लहरें तेरा अंदाज देखकर। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.4। Question number first. Question number first है, find the quotient. Find the quotient. Find the quotient. फर्स्ट है -96 डिवाइड बाई -8. सो नाउ वी हैव टू डू डिवाइड. सो -9/6 and upon -8 can be right. So minus cancel. Now divide by 8 in 96. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16. So answer is 12. Now this is the quotient. Now B part. B part is 64 divided by -8. Now 64 divided by -8. Here rational number is minus. So answer will be negative. Minus 64 divided by 8. Now can we cancel by 8? 8 8 ja 64. Answer is -8. And now quotient is -8. Now question number C. -65 divided by 5. Now same as part of part B, one number is negative, so answer will be negative. -65 divided by 5 minus, can we write 65 divided by 5? Now cancel by 5, property rule of divisibility by 5. If unit digit is 0 and 5, so number will be divisible by 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15. So quotient is -13. Next D part. -480 divided by -48. Here both number are negative, so answer will be positive. Minus से minus cancel. 48 1 जा 48. Now 0, so quotient is 10. Now part E. 0 divided by -1000. So can we write 0 upon -1000? If I have divided by any number in 0, so answer will be 0. So quotient is 0. So now question number first is complete. Here question number 2, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks, चलिए इसी में हम लोग करते हैं. ओके. -76 चाहिए क्या? 1. -76 equal to 1. So divide by blank equal to 1. If I have same number is divide by same number, so answer will be 1. So answer here -76. Next B part. 314 divided by, look, 314 divided by blank equal minus 314. Okay, if I have divided by minus 1, so will be quotient is minus 314. So here minus 1. Okay, now this question is blank divided by minus 2 equal 75. Now look, blank part is x. Okay, so now x divide is reciprocal multiply. Now reciprocal of minus 2 minus 1 upon 2 equal 75. So now multiply x into minus 1 minus x divided by 2 equal 75. So answer will be negative because real number are in negative. Now we have cross multiply 75 into 2 and sign will be negative. X equal to minus 150. Okay, so answer will be minus 150. Now so simple, one number is negative, one number is positive, so answer will be negative. And 98 divided by 98, 1. Okay, now question number 3, true and false. True and false. Okay, so now question number 3, true and false. Here minus 1 divided by minus 1 equal minus 1. Is this possible? Minus 1 upon minus 1. So minus minus cancel, answer will be 1. So here is minus 1. So this statement is false. Okay. Now second, minus 9 divided by minus 1. So here minus to minus cancel, answer is 9. So statement is true. Now C part, minus 10 upon 0. If I have divided by 0 in any number or any integer, so answer will be infinite. Here given are equal 0 and what will be answer is? Answer is infinite. So this statement is false. Okay. Now if I have divided by any number in 0, so answer will be 0. This statement is true. Okay. Now next question, minus 11 upon minus 11 into 11. Okay. C part, minus 11 into 11 divided by minus 11 upon 11 equal minus 1. Now minus 11 into 11 into multiplied by minus 1 upon 11. Okay, and minus 1. So 11 to 11 cancel, minus minus plus. So answer is 11 by 11 equal to minus 1. Now 11 1 11. So answer will be positive, but given here negative, so statement is false. Now F part. F part are minus 15 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 3 equal minus 13. Okay, so now first of all use the Bodmer's rule. Now, firstly solve the bracket. Minus 15 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 3, 2 equal minus 13. Now, next step is divide. 2 2s are 4 minus 15. This sign is plus 2 2s are 4 equal minus 13. Minus 13 equal minus 13. So this statement is true. Okay. Now find the value of the following expression. Question is fourth. Question 4 say find the value. Now part A, 90 divided by minus 5 plus minus 4. First of all, using the Bodmer's rule. Okay. Now 90 divided by minus 5 plus and minus 4. Now 90 divided by minus 5 and minus 4 minus 9. So can we write 90 upon minus 9? 9 10 ja 90. Answer is minus 10. Now part B. B part R minus 64 divided by 6 minus 2. Same rule use. Which rule? Bodmer's. Bodmer's rule are minus 64 divided by, firstly solve the bracket, 6 minus plus 2. Now 64, 6 plus 2, 8. Now divide by 8. 8 8 ja 64. Answer is minus 8. Okay. Now C part. C part is 40 divided by minus 4 divided by minus 2. Okay. Now first of all, using the bracket. First of all, use this, open this bracket. Now 40 divided by minus 4 divided by minus 2. 4 10 ja 40 minus 10 divided by minus 2. So can we write minus 10 upon minus 2? Minus से minus cancel. 2 5 ja 10. Answer is 5. Okay. Now D part. Where is D part? D part. 57 minus 3 divided by minus 60 divided by 10. Okay. Now here using the two brackets. So now firstly solve the bracket. Now 57 minus plus 3 divided by, now minus 60 upon 10. 0 से 0 cancel. So now remaining is only on minus 6. 57 plus 3, 60 divided by minus 6. So can we write 60 upon minus 6? 6 10 ja 60. In this rational number, one number are negative. So answer will be negative. Minus 10. Okay. Now E part. E part are 12 minus 48 divided by minus 6. So now firstly solve the bracket. Bracket are 12 minus 48. Here 48 is negative number, so negative number is greater than the positive number, so answer will be negative. 48 minus 12, 36. Divide by minus 6. Minus 36 upon minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 6 6 ja 36. So answer is 6. Now F part. F part are minus 63 divide by minus 20 plus minus 1. Okay, so now minus 63 divide by minus 20 plus minus minus 1, so minus 63 divide by minus minus plus, but answer is negative. Minus 20 and minus 1, 21. Okay, now minus 21. Now can we write minus 63 upon minus 21. 0 से 0 cancel. This number are divisible by 3 because 21 is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 2 ja 6. 3 1 ja 3. 7 3 ja 21. Answer is 3. F part is completed. Now G part. G part are minus 25 minus minus 7 divide by minus 2 minus minus 1. Okay, now same question is D part. Same D part is bracket of 2 use, and now use the 2 bracket. So minus 25 minus minus plus 7 divide by minus 2 minus minus plus 1. Okay, now minus 25 plus 7, can we write 7 minus 25 divide by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. 7 minus 25. Here negative integer is greater than the positive integer, so answer will be negative. 25 minus 7, 18 divide by minus 1. Minus 18 divide by minus 1. Here minus minus cancel, so answer is 18. Okay, now question number 4 has completed. Now turn to question number 5. Question number 5. Find the sum of. Now what will we find? Sum. Minus 36 divide by 4 and 48 divided by minus 12. Now solve both part. Minus 36 upon 4. 4 9 ja 36. Answer is minus 9. Now this part 48 divided by minus 12. 12 4 ja 48. Answer will be minus 4. अब हमें मालूम क्या करना था? सम. So sum equal to, what is the first part of value? Value of first part minus 9 plus value of second part minus 4. Here minus 9 plus minus minus 4. So answer is minus 13. Okay. Now let's turn to move question number 6. So what is the question number 6? For what value of x? Now इसमें क्या फाइंड करना है? वैल्यू ऑफ x. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6 are minus 288 divided by x equal minus 144. Okay, now let's be concerned this symbol and x. Now minus 288 is the dividend. Now divisor is x. So reciprocal of x 1 upon x. Okay. Equal minus 144. Now can we write 288 upon x equal minus 144? Both sides are negative, so minus to minus cancel. Okay. Now cross multiply. 1 into 288, then 288 multiply by x in 144, so answer 144x. X equal to 288 divided by 144. Here 144 are in multiply, but we are transferring other side. Now 144 in divide. 144 to the 288. And what is the value of x? 2. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7. What is the additive inverse? चाहिए क्या हमें? Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay. Question is minus 4 into minus 9 into minus 25 divided by minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. Okay, so now solve. Here minus minus minus, minus in odd term, so answer will be minus. So now can we write 4 into 9 into 25? Here this is the divisor, so can we upon? And same minus in odd term, so minus is common. Can we write 2 into 3 into 5? Minus minus cancel. 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25. So answer is 2 into 3 into 5, and now answer is 30. Okay, अब we find the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of 30? Additive inverse of 30. If any integer are positive, then additive inverse is minus 30. Answer is minus 30. 30 is not our answer, but answer is minus 30. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is which of the following does not represent an integer? हमें ये बताना है कि इसमें कौन सा पार्ट इंटीजर शो नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट 0 divided by minus 5. If I have divided any integer in 0, so answer will be 0. So 0 is a integer. Now B part 25 divide by minus 5. If minus 5 divided by 5, 5 5 ja 25, but answer is negative because divisor is negative. 0 is integer, 5 is integer. Now C part. C part are minus 9 divided by 3. Here dividend in negative, answer will be negative. So divide by 3 in 9, 3 3 ja 9. So minus 3 is integer. Now turn to part D. Minus 12 divided by 7. Here 7 is not completely divided in 12, so this is not in integer. D part is not in integer. Okay. Now question number 10. Sorry, question number 9. Question number 9. A city recorded the following temperature on 5 days. So number of days is 5. Now temperature day 1, day 2, day 3. Now can we write with comma? So first day is minus 4 degrees centigrade. Second day minus 1 degree centigrade. Third 3 degree centigrade. Fourth 2 degree centigrade. Fifth minus 5 degree centigrade. Find the average temperature of these 5 days. So we know that average equal to sum of all number upon total number. Here sum of all numbers means all day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 temperature, and total days 5. So now add minus 4 plus minus 1 plus 3 degrees centigrade plus 2 degrees centigrade plus minus 5 degree centigrade upon 5. Okay. Now divide by 5. minus 4, इसको ज़रा देख के लिखना, ये माइनस 4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड है और ये ब्रैकेट है. माइनस 4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड प्लस माइनस माइनस 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड प्लस 3 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड प्लस 2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड प्लस माइनस माइनस 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड डिवाइड बाई 5. Now minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 degree centigrade. 3 plus 2 5 degree centigrade and minus 5 degree centigrade divided by 5. Plus minus cancel, so remaining 5 degree centigrade divided by 5 banja 5. So average temperature is in these 5 days is minus 1 degree centigrade. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10. The product of two numbers. So let the two numbers are A and B. If one of the number is minus 15, means let the value of A equal minus 15. What is the other number? Find the value of b. According to question, product of two number a into b equal क्या दिया गया है 315. Now if what is the value of a minus 15 into b equal to 315, v equal to 315 upon minus 15. Okay, now divisible by 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. Now remaining 1, 15, 15 1 ja 15. Here 15 is negative, so answer will be negative. So value of b is minus 21. Okay, now turn to question number 11. This is the important question of this exercise. Question number 11. Question number 11. An elevator descends into mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. स्पीड दी गई है 6 मीटर पर मिनट. नाउ स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 10 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड लेवल. अगर वह स्टार्ट करती है तो 10 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड, मतलब ग्राउंड से 10 मीटर ऊपर है. सो इनिशियल डिस्टेंस कितनी है? इनिशियल डिस्टेंस इक्वल 10 मीटर. हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक टू रीच माइनस 350 मीटर डीप अंडर द ग्राउंड. हमसे पूछा जा रहा है टाइम. क्या पूछा जा रहा है? टाइम. और कहाँ तक पहुंचने में? जो इसकी फाइनल डिस्टेंस है, फाइनल डिस्टेंस कितनी है? माइनस 350 मीटर. ओके, सो नाउ सबसे पहले तो हम डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे. क्या हमारी डिस्टेंस कभी भी नेगेटिव आएगी? नहीं. सो फर्स्टली नाउ टोटल डिस्टेंस in absolute value. Absolute value written in mod. So initial distance minus final distance. Okay, initial distance is 10 meter minus and final distance is 350 meter. Sorry. One thing is wrong. Final distance minus initial distance. Okay. Mod. So now this minus 350 and minus 10 equal minus 360. Now distance is minus 360 is absolute value, so absolute value is 360 meter. Total distance is 360 मीटर. अब हमसे पूछा जा रहा है हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक टू रीच. कितना टाइम लेगी? वी नो दैट स्पीड इक्वल डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. नाउ स्पीड इज 6 मीटर पर मिनट. 6 मीटर. नाउ डिस्टेंस हियर 360 मीटर. 360 मीटर डिवाइड बाय टाइम. Now cross multiply, so 6t equal to 360. Then t equal to 360 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. टाइम आया 60 मिनट. और 60 मिनट को हम लोग और क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 आवर. Okay, now question number 12. Question number 11 and 12 is important question in this exercise. Question number 12. Question number 12 is, in a mathematics paper there are 10 problems. Total questions 10. Each correct answer carries 5 marks. For correct answer, plus 5. Whereas for each incorrect answer 2 mark deduct. For incorrect आंसर, इनकरेक्ट आंसर के लिए रिवॉर्ड मिलता है -2 नंबर फ्रॉम द मार्क्स स्कोर्ड. अब्दुल आंसर्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस बट गॉट ओनली 20 मार्क्स. अब्दुल गॉट मार्क्स कितने लाता है? 29. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर्स गिवन बाय अब्दुल. हमें पता करना है कि अब्दुल ने टोटल कितने आंसर्स सही किए. ओके, नाउ लेट द करेक्ट आंसर्स y करेक्ट आंसर्स बाई अब्दुल. अब्दुल के द्वारा कितने आंसर सही किए गए? x. ओके, अब देखना क्वेश्चन ध्यान से. अगर वो x क्वेश्चन सही कर रहा है तो इनकरेक्ट क्वेश्चन कितने हैं उसके? इनकरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस उसने सही किए x, टोटल है 10, तो इनकरेक्ट हो गए 10 माइनस x. अगर उसने x क्वेश्चन सही कर दिए तो उसके पास कितने हो गए? 10 माइनस x. अब एक बात बताओ, वो कितने नंबर टोटल लेता है? 29. अगर वो x क्वेश्चन सही करता है तो उसको नंबर कितने मिलते हैं? 5. ओके, प्लस अगर वो इनकरेक्ट करता है कितने क्वेश्चन, कुछ जितने भी हों, तो उसको नंबर मिलते हैं -2. सो माइनस प्लस -2, 10 माइनस x इक्वल 29. देन 5x माइनस 2 10 जा 20 माइनस माइनस प्लस 2x इक्वल टू 29. Here 20 is negative, then will be transfer in other side. Answer will be integer will be positive, and 5x plus 2x is 7x equal to 29 plus 20. 7x equal to 49. Then x equal to 49 divided by 7. 7 7 जा 49. हमसे पूछा क्या गया था? करेक्ट आंसर्स नंबर. सो नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर्स इज 7. ओके, आई होप सबको वीडियो अच्छी लगी. सो प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. थैंक यू.